In today's video, we're walking through how to troubleshoot your LED kit. Stay tuned. We usually see two different scenarios when it comes to your LEDs going bad. One is it's not showing the right color, or two, it's just not lighting up at all. And we're going to cover both of those. So scenario one is when we have a section of your LEDs that is showing a completely different color than the rest of them. For this, it's best to set it on white. The white is actually a mix between the red, blue, and the green channels. So then you know that there's something wrong with this section. As long as it's passing through and the LEDs after that are showing white, everything after that is good. It's just this strip that needs replaced. So for this, all you need to do is give us a call or shoot us an email, send us some photos so we can verify what's going on, and all you need is a new strip. So we'll get that right over to you. You'll just need to unplug the strip, send it back in, and then replace it with the new strip. It's usually best to have it on white when you're trying to figure out what's going on and what LED strip is bad, because it's easiest to get the visual. So we've got this one showing yellow. We've got a red section here. We've got purple. Sometimes you'll see just green or just blue when you're set on white, and that just means that strip needs replaced. All right, so now let's have a look at scenario two. Scenario two is when you've got one part of your kit that is perfectly fine, and then everything after that is bad. So after this 10-inch strip that's working, it's on white like it should be. We've got a 36-inch strip plugged in. We've got a 10-inch strip plugged in, and then we've got an LED pod plugged in. So we need to figure out which component in the series is bad. And to do that, we're going to use a jumper wire. When you're installing the kit and you have extra wires, be sure to hang on to those because they'll be useful in the future. The jumper wire helps to bypass certain components on the vehicle without having to unmount everything. So we'll unplug the strip that's not lighting up first on both ends. We'll take our jumper wire, plug it into the good strip, and then plug it into the next strip in series. And if it lights up, it means that this strip was bad. We see that our 10-inch strip is lighting up white, just like it should be, as well as the pod after that. This also applies to wires. Sometimes the wires can get pinched, they can corrode, they can just get cut, and power's not going through there. So instead of unplugging the LED strip, you unplug this wire, jump it with a new wire, and then if everything works, then that wire is the problem, and that'll need to be replaced. Troubleshooting is super easy thanks to our plug and play design. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time.